Introducing aPriori.
I'm here with Chris Platz from Woodward. Tell me a little bit about what you do at Woodward, Chris.
Well, I'm in charge of it's our corporate supply chain, so I deal with all the machining aspects of the products that we bring into Woodward. So roughly about $400 million a year in spend, a couple hundred suppliers that we deal with, people around the world.
So what was the problem that you were trying to solve when you brought on aPriori?
Oh, there's a lot of problems to solve, right? Fair and reasonable, right? End of the day, we can go out, we can quote everybody in the world, we can get numbers all over the place. What really is fair and reasonable when you come down to pricing on a part? But we're actually kind of expanding it from there. We're looking at capability and capacity within our supply base. There's limited supply labor out there. So we really have to make sure we're putting parts in at the right place at the right time, with the right situation, right? And obviously we're using digital factories and some other stuff right now to really accelerate that movement into key suppliers at this point.
So you started off with using aPriori to try to say, what is a fair and reasonable price that I can quote? You've transitioned to using aPriori to look at your whole supply chain. As you look ahead to 2023, what do you see on your horizon?
We're going to move to the cloud next, probably, and then we're going to start doing the overnight modeling. As design engineering is designing those parts, we can actually kind of keep track of where they're at as far as cost on those items. We're working on the digital factories, negotiating the upper level labor rates and overheads, direct and indirect overheads and margin. So we've got all that established right up front. We've got their equipment list built in, and I look at capability and capacity. What can they make it, and do they have capacity to make it?
So it's a huge work saving for your people.
It's a one-to-one relationship, not a one-to-many at this point.
And it's a huge work saving for your suppliers.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's a value add for every point in procurement.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, there's no two ways about it. It's perfect.
Thank you so much for talking to us today. We're looking forward to your presentation
Absolutely,
soon.
Thank you.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.